Hey, I'm John from Hilltop Camper and RV in Fridley, Minnesota. Here to show you a great couples camper. It's a 212QB. It is a J-Flight SLX, and it is, this one I'm going to show you is a 2022, so let's take a look. Start out front, you've got your 40 pounds of propane, you've got electric tongue jack, and what I like really at the bottom that is something you want to pay attention to when you're buying an RV is you've got the integrated A-frame there, which really is going to help you with your stability and a good stable ride. Jayco is always taking small measures that really equal big things when it comes to safety. So you're going to see more outriggers on this, more cross members on your frame too. So you're going to have a stronger frame with Jayco. It's one of the reasons why they're able to provide double the best warranty in the business with a 2-year limited warranty, 3-year structural warranty. See the outside, a good look with the awning up top, electric awning. You've got an LED light there as well. You've got some outside speakers, and you've got this little thing right here. It means you can put your TV on the outside, which is kind of cool for a guy like me. I love to sit outside, campfire, beer, watch TV. You got an outlet there. You got the cable hookup too. And on the outside, you also see these windows. They're tinted. They're the G20 windows. So you've got not only tint for privacy, but you've got an ability to keep some UV rays out, keeps the camper cooler, keeps your furniture fresher. You've also got a ladder up there. We want you to get up there safely. It is the strongest roof in the industry with that Magnum Truss roof. And so you can get up there. You can do your maintenance up there. We just want to make sure you're safe when you're up on your roof. You got a J-port set up here right on the bumper, which means you can hook up a griddle stand to that, and underneath you've got an LP quick connect and hooked right up to your LP. That tire in the back, that's going to be a Goodyear tire, as are all your tires. So even your spare tire is going to be a Goodyear tire, and if we knock up over the tires, you get the galvanized steel, so that in the unfortunate event that there is a tire blowout, hopefully you're not going to have anything going through the camper itself. And there's a look at your storage. That is a pass-through storage. As you can see the other door at the end. And what's that inside? That's where you, that's for your griddle. And that's your griddle stand that you put on the back end of the camper. Let's take a look inside this 212QB. 25 feet, 8 inches, just over 4,400 pounds. You see this very popular modern farmhouse interior, nice sized kitchen. You've got, 5-sided drawers. So you've got plywood on all sides of the drawer. And then the front of the drawer is also going to have this outside covering as well. So I think it's 75 pounds rated for these drawers. So really, really strong, and Amish made cabinets. So they have the Amish cabinet factory right there inside the Jayco factory itself. You've got your stove. You've got a nice little backsplash on this as well. I'm trying to fold it out here for you. So a nice little backsplash, your microwave, and then you've got your living area set. So you not only got the dinette that becomes a bed, but you've also got this couch that can become a bed as well. And quite frankly, the dinette becomes a little bit bigger bed. You've got a TV that you can put up here. So you got some good viewing from the couch if you'd like to do that. As we swing around the kitchen too, you see really good size refrigerator. That is a 12-volt fridge, and you've got storage all in these cabinets as well, and pretty deep at that. Bathroom is fairly small, but pardon me as we cruise. Small but functional. That's a plastic toilet, foot flush. Nice thing about this one, not only do you have a bathtub, so if you got any little ones that might want to take a bath, also got a skylight, so if you got any big ones, you got a little extra headroom. And as for the bathroom, or bedroom rather, we slide right over here with a little bit of storage inside on each side of the bed. You've got some outlets there as well. And then in this case, you've got an RV queen size bed. Too many great things to talk about with a Jayco quality product, but I did mention the Magnum Truss roof. You've got a 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood flooring on this as well. So just a couple of the things you're going to want to read way more about the 212QB. I've got a lot of information there for you. I'm sure you have some questions. Feel free to give them to me, subscribe, and we thank you for watching. I'm John from Hilltop Camper and RV in Fridley, Minnesota.